This is Priyanka here. We are discussing sample paper 3. Let's come to question 3. Why aptitude test is conducted in the process of selection? So in which chapter we do selection or recruitment of employees? Chapter staffing. And here you will be given 1 mark. Let's come to the answer. Aptitude test. What is aptitude test? We can take example of our parents, like we have ability to learn new things for up to a particular age. After 35s or 40s, we are not in a stage of learning new things. If at this time someone asks our parents to leave the job or to leave the business or start something new, they are not in a stage that they can learn new things or understand new things. So aptitude test is the potential or to check the ability of learning new things. So how you can write it in exam? Aptitude test is conducted to measure the ability of learning new skills or knowledge. Right? Thank you.